Hey everybody, a quick update about the beautiful Jaeger LeCoultre. Been to the cleaning machine, clean all the parts, beautiful. But do you remember the play of the ratchet wheel? And you saw me hesitating about the click on the main barrel. Well, I'll show you. Because there was something fishy going on. And here it is. Show you under the microscope. Well, there we are. There is the main plate, all nice and clean. But then I had a closer look to the click. Well, as you can see, here is the pivot point of the main barrel. This is part of the winding from the automatic winding system. And here is, well, should be the click. There is a tiny piece still there. As you can see here, riveted in the bridge itself, again to save height. But here it's completely gone. Here is the spring, and it should be all the way up there over the ratchet wheel. Well, and as you could see, it isn't, or it wasn't in the movement anymore. So well, resolves the puzzle why the click wasn't functioning. There is no click left. So we're going to make, and luckily it's an easy part to recreate. Well, we have to use the proper steel, spring quality, the proper height. We have to rivet it again in the bridge. It is a bit of a job, but we'll do it. So I wanted to share with you why the click was such a problem. It isn't in the movement anymore and completely broken. Well, we'll fix it. Enjoy your evening. See ya. Bye bye.